The 2015 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, compass, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, security alarm, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, fog lights, CD player, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.